Last night I was so nasty. Well, he deserved it. But even so, that George is not like this George. This is a new George that I don't know. Somehow it all reminds me of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. When right before my eyes, the man that I despise has turned into the man I love. It's almost like a dream, as strange as it may seem. He came to offer me vanilla ice cream.